What we have here is a muscle rack. It's the 5 tier, and I got it from Home Depot for 90 bucks. I got 2 of them, so I'm in the process of making one right now. It's holding up pretty well. I'm also comparing it to this shelf right here. I got another one right there. They were from Costco. They were 80 bucks, and they are also 5 tier. The main differences between them, I see that the corner brackets right here, they're actually a piece of bracket right here. And I'm able to hammer these 2 pieces together. Whereas here, you've got just a little piece of plastic that's got a lip that goes up and down, just like the feet down here. Similar feet. The wood is a little bit lower of a quality, a little bit thinner. It sits below the metal rim right here and has a little bit more of a gap than the other one. And it doesn't have the optional holes on the inside to drill into the wood. Whereas this one, it's taller. It kind of stays above the edge of the metal, so you're not, your stuff isn't sitting there rubbing against the metal. And it's got holes pre-drilled on the inside lip of this shelf to mount into the wood to make it like sturdier for long-term use. However, like I said, these brackets right here, very helpful. They're actually going to hold it and not just like give it a little crease right here to hold on to. So I would say so far I'm liking these shelves as long as the wood can hold up to structurally to what I'm going to put on it. Probably not a lot of heavy stuff, but it is rated for 800. These are rated for 1,000 per shelf. But depending on, if I'm going to move, these brackets are not very easy to get off. They'll have to give a little bit more elbow grease to them. Whereas those, I feel like they come apart a little easier. So they both have great features to them. As you can see, I got some bins in here already. They're trying to remember, they're like 24. No, they got to be bigger than that. But I got a pack of 6 of these from Home Depot, and they barely fit in there. I kind of have to pull the middle one out to get the other 2 in. So probably have to rethink that. If I'm going to get more, I'll probably get some that are a little bit narrower, or just put 2 larger ones that are a little bit of a cubish size. But thankfully, this shelf is just big enough where I can actually fit one of these big old Rubbermaid containers in there. So we're going to see how much we can put on it and go from there. But just wanted to show you what I'm building and can be able to compare it with the Costco one. Oh, another note is why this one is $10 cheaper. I didn't see it in Costco anymore, but it's only a 1.5 feet deep versus this one's actually 2 foot deep. And they're both 6 foot tall. But yeah, those are my shelves.